Hello everyone, my name is Reena and welcome to my channel Get Guided Learning. In my today's video, I'm going to discuss about three formulas here, which is count, counter, and count blank. Apart from these three formulas, we will know that how to count the number of cells which contains text. So first, let's move on to the count function. Before I write formula, please have a look on the definition. Count function does what? Count function counts the number of cell in a range that contains number. So it will count the number of cells in this range, for example, which has only numbers and not the text. Correct? So let's write the formula equal count, press tab button, open parenthesis, value 1 means select the range here, close parenthesis, press enter. Now I get the answer 10. So total cell numbers are 10 here, which has the number value. So you can see here manually if you want to check, it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we can select the range in a different way also, that like this. And for the value 2, you can take the number. You can select range in the horizontal way. Here we have selected range in the vertical way. So close parenthesis and press enter. Now you can see that total number of the cells which has number is 28. So 10 we have here. In this range we have 14 cell, plus in this range we have 4. So 14 plus 4 is 8 and plus 10. So 28 is the answer. Let's move on to the counter function. So count function counts the number only in the range, and counter function counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. In the simple language, it counts the number of cells which has any kind of value. Either it's number, or it is text, or it has special characters, and or it has formula. For example, I have a blank cell here, but it is not blank because it has formula inside. Here it's showing blank, even there is no formula, but inside of this you can see there is a space. Here I have the question mark. So counter function counts everything, either it's special characters, formula, space, text, number, everything. Okay, so let's write counter function now. Counter, press tab button, open parentheses, and select the range. Shift, Control Shift, down key, and you can see it has selected all the data here. Now press enter. You can see here it has counted everything here, all the 17. Till here you can see it's number 14, 15, 16 and 17. So counter counts everything. Now count blank. Count blank counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. Basically, it counts the blank cells. So write formula here equal count blank. You can see it's on the third number here. Press tab button, open parentheses, and just select the range. It's asking for the range. I select range here because here I have some blank cells. Close parentheses, press enter. You can see I have the answer 4. Why? Because in this range I have total 4 cells which are blank. You can see here, correct? So now let's move on to the another example, that how to count another question, how to count number of cell which contains text. So as you know that counter counts everything and count counts only number. So how I will know that how many text cell I have? So let's apply some logic here. If I say that counter, you count everything here in this range, and you minus the numbers from this range and you give me the text. So Counta will count everything and will minus, and number will come from which formula? Count. Total number of cell which contains number. Count function will apply here. Count, press enter and select the range. Okay, so I say Counta, you count everything and you minus, and count will help here, that count all the cells which has the number, so text will remain here. Correct? So my answer is 4 here. From all of these cells we minus these number cells with the help of count function, and only text are remaining. How many texts we have? Only 4: United States, United Kingdom, India and France. So 4 records came. So we applied here Counta minus count. So I have explained here all the 3 formulas plus how to count the cell numbers which contains text, this logic, and I hope you like this video. If you like this, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for my latest updated videos. Till that time, get guided learning and have a good time. Bye bye.